Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of my friends, all of my students, and whoever is watching this video. Assalamu alaikum, and I wish you a lovely, beautiful good morning to all of you. This is a new day to all of us, and we are going to do a lot today. But before we start anything, we have to be grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that we have everything we can see, we can hear, we can smile, and we are in our good health. Isn't that amazing? Yes, because when you're healthy, you're feeling good, then you will transfer that to everybody and you will even feel others happy. Yeah, you will let them feel happy because health is wealth. If you're healthy, then you're beautiful, you're energetic, and you're ready to explore and learn. Yeah. So we're going to start with a numeracy class today. And remember we did ordinal numbers last time? Yeah. So we are just going to quickly revise all that again so that that will retain in our minds. So what are ordinal numbers? Is there anybody who can tell me? Ordinal numbers, yes. Ordinal numbers are the numbers who tells us the position of anything. Yes, the different things which we position in different numbers. So this helps us to position the numbers. We don't say the position number 1, position number 2. We say it in a different way, and those numbers are called ordinal numbers, right? So we're going to revise them. We did first, second, third. Yeah, yesterday, remember? Yeah. So we're going to revise them and add them a little more, right? Are you ready? Okay. So we're going to start first. The first thing first, which is the, okay, now you're going to tell me Monday is the, yes, Monday is the first day of the week. Yay, Monday is the first day of the week. Yes, so we are going to put Monday over here, right? Then comes Tuesday. So Tuesday is the second day of the week. Yes, Tuesday is the second day of the week. Wednesday. Now, Wednesday or Wednesday is the third day of the week, right? Wednesday is the third day of the week. Then comes Thursday. Thursday is the fourth day of the week. Yay. And then after Thursday, we have Friday. And Friday is the fifth day of the week. Yay. And then comes Saturday. Saturday is the sixth day of the week. Yes. Saturday is the sixth day of the week. And then comes Sunday. Sunday is the seventh day of the week. Yay, seventh day of the week. Okay, I am going to just share with you a video just to have a little fun, right? How we say ordinal numbers. Now we are going to watch this video. Oh, every day is a great day for me. Every day is a great day for me. Monday is the first day, Tuesday is the second day, Wednesday is the third day, Thursday is the fourth day, Friday is the fifth day, Saturday is the sixth day, Sunday is the seventh day of the week. Every day is a great day for me. Every day is a great day for me. Monday is the first day, Tuesday is the second day, Wednesday is the third day, Thursday is the fourth day, Friday is the fifth day, Saturday is the sixth day, Sunday is the seventh day of the week. Yay, that was great. See? We number the days and the months and things like that, right? So what comes after 7th? So our days are finished, but no problem. What comes after 7th? After 7th comes 8. Yay. Okay, 8. And then what comes? Comes 9th. Yes, 9th. And then 10th. Right. Okay, 10th, right? So in the same way, we have different months, right? The first month is January, then February 2nd, March is 3rd, April is 4th, May is 5th, June is 6th, July is 7th, August is 8th, November is 9th, October is 10th, sorry, September is 9th, October is 10th, then November is 11th, and December is 12th. See how we are going to put things, position things, right? Oh, yes. In which month is your birthday? Okay, I'm going to tell you my birthday is in the 5th month. Yay, my birthday is in the 5th month. Yes. Okay, now who can share the birthday? Okay, your birthday is in the 3rd month. Now, which is the 3rd month? January, February, March. Okay, so your birthday is in March. March is just about to come. This is the 2nd month. It's February, and March is just coming. Wow, that's wonderful. So that means the next month is your birthday. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Okay. So who else can share? Oh, your birthday is in the 8th month. Okay, and which is the 8th month? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. August is the 8th month. Yay, that is great. So, see, this is how we position and remember things, that my birthday is in the 8th month or the 5th month or 3rd month, right? And then, even when you are telling somebody your address, now do you know in which street do you live? Like, on which street is your house? Do you know that? Yes, yes, think of it. On which street is your house? Okay, I'm going to tell you. My house is on the 11th street, and that is the 7th house at the end on your left. That is the 7th house at your left, right? So you are going to tell me on which street is your house? Okay, okay, come on, tell me. Your house is on the 4th street. That's great. And then when you're on the 4th street, which number? Okay, 2nd house on the left. Oh, that's great. That is great. So your house is 2nd on the left. That's great. So you should remember on which street is on your house, and like, you can even position, if you're telling somebody your address, you should be clear that street number this, and then when you're on that specific street, my house is on the 3rd right or the 5th left or at the end. That is my house, right? You should know that. Okay, so these are the ordinal numbers which we have revised, right? Again, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th, right? Okay, so now you are going to take out your introductory book 2 maths wise, right? You're going to take out your introductory book 2 maths wise, yes. Right? Okay, and you please come up on page number 27, right? Page number 27. And now look at this page. They have 3 shapes, right? There are 3 different shapes, and they're in the group of 3, right? So this page says that color the shapes. Now you have to color the shapes, but you have to make sure that you have to color the first one, whichever shape is in the first position, you're going to cover it red, right? Now this says first is red. Now, whichever shape is on the second position, you're going to color yellow. And then whichever is on the third position, you're going to color it green. Yes. Now see, first red, second yellow, and third is green. So same you're going to hear. Which one is this? First. So you're going to paint it or color it red. Yes. Now this one is second. So you're going to paint it yellow. And the third one, you're going to paint green. Okay. Now do you have all of these three colors? Okay, come on, do it quickly then. Yes. The first one red, the second one yellow, the third one green. Good, good, good. And then show it to me. Very good. Yes, yes, yes. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Okay, show me everybody. Wow, that is wonderful, amazing. Good, good, good. Yes. Okay, so you have done the circles. Now you're going to do the triangles. You're going to start it from here. So the string is starting from here. So what is the position of this triangle? First, yes. Then what comes after first? Second, and then third. That's great. So you are going to color the first one red, the second one yellow, and the third one green. Now quickly do it. Quickly, quickly, and show to me. Okay, that's great. Very well done. Okay, okay. Super good. Okay, lovely, lovely. That's great. Right? So you got the idea. So what you can do is you can do all of this one, and this one. You can do at home as your homework, right? And then on page number 28, there is a maze. This is also your homework. You have to help Selena collect the litter as she goes through the maze to reach the waste paper bin. And I hope that you all are doing the same. Are you keeping your area, your room, your house, your street clean? Are you throwing the litter out of your room or maybe out of your house? Are you doing that? No, that is great. So you should not do that. Remember, we have promised to keep our city and our country clean, right? So in the same way, you're going to keep your home and your room clean. Help your mummies do that. Don't let her work all alone, right? She does a lot for you the whole day, and you also should help her, right? So you're going to help Selena to collect all the waste, and then going through this, she will have to throw it in the bin, right? Okay, that's great. So this was our literacy class today, in which we have learned about ordinal numbers. Yes. Okay. So you're going to revise that, and you're going to do a lot more, right? So I'm going to say goodbye to you from this class now. I will see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe, be happy, be grateful, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye. Be happy.